What's up guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because clearly you can tell from the title of this video that I'm about to get ready for my 21st birthday. So today's the day. So today's a very exciting birthday and I'm going to do a get ready with me video, and I'm just going to put this little disclosure at the beginning. I am not going to be like going crazy on my birthday or anything. To be honest, my makeup's not going to be like that much more than what I do on a regular basis, but I just feel like it's an exciting day, so it would be fun to do a get ready with me. So Firstly Beauty actually sent me some of their new skincare items, so I wanted to talk about those because like skincare is so important to me and I really spend a lot of time on it. So in order to have like a good makeup day, I can't imagine like not taking care of my skin first. So I washed my face and I actually used their Pure Skin Cleanser, which if you guys have watched any of my skincare routines and you've heard me talk about it. And then I went in with their new oil. So this is the Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil, and I already know that people are going to make a comment about it being like the cannabis, but it's like an oil from hemp. So even if you guys are familiar with like Hemp's, the skincare brand, it's the same thing. It's just a very hydrating oil. It has nothing to do with weed, so I'm just making that very clear. So this is awesome. I love that I can put this oil on my face, but it doesn't feel slick or greasy like at all. So that's awesome because I can even use it under my makeup. And then I went in with their new, this is the Barriair, like Barrier, but like air. The texture of it is like unreal. It's kind of like a cloud almost, like it's a whipped texture, so it's really cool, but it's really hydrating like the rest of their products. And again, it doesn't like feel heavy, like it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face right now, but you guys can see how glowy and just moisturized my skin is. So I love both of those. And then I also just went in with their retinol eye cream. I've been trying to get a lot better about using an eye cream because, you know, I'm getting old now. So going into my makeup, I'm going to start off with some primer, and this is the Urban Decay Urban Decay. I feel like I say that so weird. This is their Optical Illusion Primer. This is probably one of my favorites. I wanted to use a primer that's really going to help my makeup last longer because it's like 11:30 right now, I think, and I'm doing my makeup, but I do plan on going out tonight, so obviously I want my makeup to last, and this is really nice. I just like smoothing out the texture of your skin as well. Also, I fake tanned last night, so clearly my body and my face are two completely different colors right now. Also, my hair's a mess because I'm going to dry bar once I'm done with my makeup. Okay, so now that that's worked into my skin, I'm going to go in with foundation, and one of my all-time favorite foundations is Born This Way from Too Faced. This is the shade Light Beige. It's my tan color because, like I said, I just tanned. And then my favorite way to blend in this foundation is just with a beauty blender. It goes on so evenly. And obviously, like, the foundation that I'm putting on is darker than my face color, but it matches the fake tan. Then I'm going to go in with some under eye concealer. This is the L'Oreal True Match one, and this is in the shade N123. Honestly, I switch up my under eye concealer pretty frequently. I love Shape Tape, but I'll just use whatever one matches my skin tone the best. Also, in case anyone was wondering, I am vlogging today. So I'm going to post this video first, and then I'm posting the vlog. So make sure you guys are subscribed with post notifications if you want to see a 21st birthday vlog. I have no clue what today is going to turn into. I do plan on going out to a bar tonight though, so we will see how that goes. So then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible translucent powder, and I'm setting my under eyes. And I'm just going to put this on with my beauty blender. And this is the only thing that I can do to keep my under eye concealer from creasing throughout the day. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face makeup. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Clearly I'm almost out of it. I really enjoyed this powder, and I'll probably repurchase it. So if you guys are looking for a good drugstore powder, this one's really nice. So I just use a big powder brush and a pressing motion to work this into my skin. I don't really use circular motions because I don't want to move the foundation or anything. And then I just use a sweeping motion around my eye area to get rid of any of that translucent powder. So now I'm going to start bringing some color back to my face. I'm going to start off with my Hoola bronzer. I love this. I think this is my second one, and I've already bought a third one because I'm almost out of it. So I actually use this big e.l.f. brush, and I feel like I've explained this so many times in videos, but it's a powder brush, but it has like a long shape to it, so it's nice because you can use it in the hollows of your cheek, but also blend it out at the same time, and you don't get like a really harsh line from contouring, but it still defines your cheekbones. So I love this brush. It's like $4, and I've had it for years too, and like I wash it and I use it every day and it holds up well. So then I'm going to go in with some blush, and I have this little baby one from Tarte. It's in the color Fearless, and recently I've been into using more of like a bright pink for blush rather than a muted like a brownish pink color. I use a very light hand with it, but I just think it looks really pretty. And I plan on wearing a red lip or more of a dark lip, so I feel like it just helps to kind of brighten everything up. And then actually, speaking of Tarte, my all-time favorite highlighter, and you guys ask me about it all the time. This is Stunner. It's from Tarte. I feel like I hear no one talk about it, but it's the best highlighter that I've ever used, and I've gotten so many other people hooked on it, so I highly recommend this. Pretty much anytime you guys ask me what highlight I'm wearing, this is it. And then I just go in with a teeny tiny bit on my nose. I do it right here on the tip of my nose, and then a little bit up here on the bridge. I heard someone explain it once as like making an exclamation point on your nose. So you do the bridge and then the tip. That is it for my face makeup, and before I move on to anything else, I'm just going to set it with the Urban Decay setting spray. I don't like doing this after I do my eye makeup because then I'm worried about it like moving around and stuff, especially with mascara. So I use makeup setting spray like once a year. I'm not good at remembering to do steps like this. So next step, my eyebrows, which you guys comment on all the time. So recently I've been using the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia, and probably the best eyebrow brush ever invented is this Tarte one. Doesn't have a name, but it is literally so teeny tiny thin. So if you guys can find this anywhere, I'll try to like look online for it and link it for you, but it's literally so thin. It's amazing. So sometimes I look in pictures and I feel like I've definitely overdone my brows, so I want to keep it pretty natural. Clearly they're already full, but I just try to even them out a little bit, and then filling them in helps to get rid of any like ashy color from my foundations. Do I have a spoolie? Okay, I have a spoolie. Ugh, I don't have a spoolie. I do have a spoolie. Hello, Fran.
Fran, happy birthday!
Thanks, Fran. I'm filming a get ready with me for my birthday.
Tell the screamers I said hello.
Guys, Abby says hello. Okay, so I just finished up my brows. I filled them in with the Dip Brow, and then I went in with the Tarte Brow Gel. This is really nice because the wand on it is like teeny tiny thin. So for those of you that don't have full eyebrows like me, you'll still really like it. And then I was gonna wear eyeshadow, but like, to be honest, I don't know if I want to. I don't really wear eyeshadow that much anymore. And I feel like whenever I look at pictures where I have like eyeliner and eyeshadow on, my eyes look a lot smaller. So I like wearing like just mascara because I have long eyelashes and it just like still makes my eyes really pop. I think I'm gonna start off with a lip color and then decide what I want to do. Okay, so I just went and got a red lip, and I feel like it's fun because it's like festive. I have a Christmas birthday, but also there's red in my shirt, and it's like bold because I just really don't want to wear eyeshadow. So I'm gonna put this on. This is Smooch from Julep. It's my favorite liquid lip because it doesn't bleed and it lasts. Like, I'm pretty sure I ate a cheeseburger with it on once and it still stayed on. So this stuff will literally last forever. And this is also what I'm wearing in my Vlogmas intro. It's the red lip that I have on with my Christmas onesie. So I'm gonna put this on. Obviously cannot talk while I do this. So I'm gonna go in with some mascara to finish everything off. Which one do I want to use today? I love Bad Gal Bang. A lot of times when I wear this mascara, you guys ask me about it, except it's starting to get kind of old. Yeah, let's go for it. We're gonna use this one today. It's a little bit dried out now, so it's not quite as intense, but I still love it. Also, you guys always ask me like how I put on my mascara and what tips I have and everything. On my Instagram page, if you go to my beauty highlight, I showed you guys how I put it on, and in that one I'm actually using a mascara that's only like $4. So go check out my Instagram and watch that if you want some tips on mascara. Okay guys, so I ran out of memory when I was finishing up my mascara, but this is what my makeup looks like all finished. I ended up just throwing my hair like half up because it's really dirty right now, but like I said, I'm going to dry bar, so I didn't want to like take the time to do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my birthday vlog if you want to see what I'm up to actually celebrate my birthday. But I love how my makeup looks with the red lip and everything. So I hope that you guys liked watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!